Hi guys, Happy New Year to everyone. Just a very quick one. I just wanted to show you something I'm going to try. Hopefully it's going to work. If like me, you run a splitter from your Cardo. One of them I'll plug in my earbud so that I can hear the comms. The other one I plug in a cable with an attenuator cable in line and run that down to a sound recorder to hopefully record all the chit chat from my mates in the group. What I did, I bought some of this, and this is that heat shrink for cables, for joins. And what I've done, I've put it on the female connectors, left it a bit long, so I've heat shrunk that all around the connector there. That's tight. Left it a bit long. Now that will shrink a bit when you do heat this lot. Not the end of the world though. But now what it means is when you plug in your cable, that goes up inside of that sock, and that now, even though these are out in the elements and all the weather, the actual joint is way up in here. So I'm hoping that the rain's just going to run down off of that and drip off of that, so the actual joint itself isn't out in the weather. What we also do then is we get our earplugs, plug them into that one, and again both of those now hopefully weatherproof. I won't say it's waterproof, but hopefully weatherproof. The proof will be in the pudding though, so I'll give you an update on when I try this out, just to see whether it does keep the weather off of it. I've also tried something similar with the cameras, because I'm going to run permanent power to them while they're on the bike. Now like me, you'll probably take the door off, plug the cable in there, and that then means that all this is no longer weatherproof. So the cable that goes in, I'm going to do very similar to this, slip it over the end of the USB-C, leave it slightly long. When you plug that in, that rubber then is going to squeeze, and because it's rubber, it's going to press up against there and hopefully just give it a bit more weatherproofing. No way will it be watertight, but hopefully it will stop the weather getting into there and causing any problems. Again, proof will be in the pudding. We'll see when we try it. Hopefully it works. Take care guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.